One of the first places that put Brickell on the map, and I'm talking about way before all the fame and the notoriety of what Brickell is today, is Bristol Tower. Now, to some of you who are watching and just getting acquainted with Brickell, the name Bristol Tower may not mean that much to you because it's definitely not mentioned a whole lot today as one of the top Brickell condos. But if you grew up in the Miami area, then you're keenly aware of the time that Brickell hit your radar. Believe it or not, for me and many others who grew up in the Miami area, Brickell really wasn't mentioned. Sure, you would head to downtown Miami to catch a game at the AAA arena or maybe even go to Club Space during our high school days. You guys know what I'm talking about. But there was a time where Brickell, it's like if it didn't really exist. But developers and projects slowly started to change that, and a few of them started to create a buzz. Case in point, Bristol Tower. At the time, it was a marvel of a building with a very unique circular design offering 270-degree views of the water and the city. And at only 40 stories tall and built in 1993, this building, on paper at least, may not seem impressive by today's standards. But given its premium location and timeless design, it not only holds up, but dare I say it, it may even be better and sometimes more alluring than most of the newer buildings built today. Well, how can this be, as some of you guys are probably asking yourselves? Well, for one, it's located south of 14th Street, which is the genesis of Brickell and where it all started, and with good reason. As I mentioned before in previous videos, south of 14th Street usually offers a more secluded and tranquil setting than its modern Brickell counterparts. And secondly are the views. I get so accustomed to saying all the time that Brickell is not really known for its water views that I almost forget that Brickell was originally known for its water views. It's only until I take a step back to some of the buildings of the previous era that I'm reminded of this very fact. And man, is it refreshing to walk into a spacious condo with floor-to-ceiling windows and be greeted with some of the best views that Miami has to offer. Over the years, many athletes and celebrities have called Bristol Tower home, but it became famous, at least to me, when artist Pharrell Williams sold his stunning penthouse back in 2016. Not quite the stunning penthouse that Pharrell had, today's property tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus den at Bristol Tower is stunning in its own right. At just over 1,600 square feet, this is a massive 2-bedroom, definitely by today's standards, which typically are going to range between 800 square feet to about 1,000 square feet. Fully furnished with premium decor as well as offering views of the bay and the city, this property can be yours for just under $11,000 per month. So let's get started. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly Miami real estate content. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or rent in the Miami area and would like assistance by a professional real estate agent, then obviously schedule a call with me by sending me an email. My details can be found in the show notes below. And with that, guys, enjoy today's video. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that I earned your trust enough to make you want to subscribe to the channel, as that would mean the world to me. If you're still watching and want to see more, then YouTube thinks you're going to be interested in this video, and I think you're going to be more interested in this. The choice is yours. Either way, I hope to see you around soon. Take care, and God bless.